Hello everyone, this is Arjun from CAD Group. Now we'll be doing a short video on the use of Autodesk Construction Cloud, the cost management module. Cost is the place where you make, review and view project related financial transactions. We will focus in on the budget module and in particular adding budget lines so we have money available to spend in our project. The example I will go through today is from the point of view of a builder, but could easily be adopted by both a developer or trade point of view. In this example, I tendered out an electrical scope of works and received a quotation for almost $450,000. I will click on Edit Mode. I will click on Add to add a budget line and add that $450,000 budget line based on my predefined cost code structure. I'll modify the description to electrical services, add in a quantity, a unit cost and a unit price of $450,000. I will also add in a contingency. Of 5% and call it construction contingency. As a builder, I also want to make a profit, so I'll also add in a profit line. And call it builder's profit. Let's just say it's 10%. If I exit edit mode, I have my buckets of money to spend, but I'm actually going to view them using my division structure. And here I have my buckets of money. Now, if you're from an industry like me, you're going to know that this is never going to be this simple. You're likely going to have an estimate that you receive from a quantity surveyor, or you've done it yourself, and it's going to look something like this. A lot of lines, potentially hundreds of lines, with a breakdown of quantities, unit cost and total cost. Autodesk also has an Excel import feature, and what I'm going to do is click the edit mode, and instead of clicking add, I'm going to click the import button. On the right hand side here, I have a download template button which will give me this template. There are some examples here on the back end, but essentially the import will be from the very first sheet. Prepared this template using my predefined budget code. I've added in those line items with quantities, unit cost and amounts, and the quantities into a Excel template that I can import straight away. What I'm going to do is click on choose file, click on the template that I want to import, and all the lines that it likes, it's going to show me here. It's going to show me out of all the rows how many errors it has found. It's found no errors here. I'm going to click the import button, and it's saying the import is complete. I'm going to click done, and all these lines have been imported in. Now, as I've imported these individual lines in, I'm going to delete the summary line of electrical services. If I click edit mode and exit out of edit mode and open up electrical services, I now have the breakdown based on my predefined cost code structure. If I were to go to a chart view, it's given me this breakdown per that structure. If I go to home, it's showing me this breakdown as a pie chart instead. All this information is built in to the project. Thank you for watching this budget management video.